The Wiese knot is a sliding, locking arthroscopic knot that is easily used and taught to others. The post is the purple strand held in the left hand. A simple half knot is thrown, with the thumb placed inside the sutures. The index finger then crosses the two strands of sutures, forming a loop. The free end of the suture is taken through the loop and then down through the loop formed by the thumb. It is taken away in the opposite direction of the post. The thumb is then removed from the loop, creating the configuration shown. By pulling on the post, the knot is then delivered. When tension is applied to the non-post strand, the knot can be seen to lock. The arthroscopic setup is the same, with the addition of a knot pusher and a snap on the post strand. The simple half knot is thrown with the thumb through the loop. The index finger is then used to cross the sutures so the non-post strand can be taken down through the loop created behind the thumb. The thumb is then removed from the loop and the knot is dressed by gently pulling on the non-post strand. This is repeated from a different angle, showing again the same movements. Note that the index finger and middle finger hold the non-post strand taut while delivering the end of the suture down through the loop on the back of the thumb. Again, as the thumb is removed, the knot can be dressed by pulling slight tension on the non-post strand. Care is taken to not inadvertently lock the knot. By pulling on the post, the knot is then delivered to the cannula. Once the knot is then delivered inside the joint, the knot pusher holds the knot in place as it is tightened by pulling on the post. Past pointing can then be performed to further secure the knot. As the non-post strand is then pulled, the knot locks, leading to the final configuration shown. This is displayed again on the training cord.